What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So I saw this perhaps a use case in the Appsheet community. So the question is basically on how to do a drop down based on the user. So of course, I have recreated the scenario based on the information provided, and let's together explore on how to do the drop down based on the user. So without further ado, let's check it out. All right, guys, to start off the drop down based on user, I've created two simple tables. Okay, the first one is the list of clubs that we have. So this is under clubs. We have the ID, the advisor's email, the type of club, and the name of club. All right. So basically, this is the information where we have the user itself. Say, for example, mine would be the FBLA and filmmakers, falls under Monday Club and Friday Club. And another table where we have the report. So basically, every advisors would key in or insert their reports based on the club and the date. So this is where we want to have the drop down. Okay. So in the app itself, let's jump straight to the focus. So of course, in the app, I've set the format rules. So it would highlight to me the clubs that relates or refers back to me. So you can see FBLA and filmmakers is highlighted, shows that this is my jurisdiction. Okay. So in report, under the club ID is where I want the drop down to happen. Okay, so the usual in data validity, and under valid if I've used the select expression or function where it will select the IDs in clubs table, and based on the advisor's email, if it has to be the same as the email I'm used to log in. So whatever drop down it gives me later on is basically the classes or sessions that belongs to me. Okay, so to give this a try, so of course to double check, we have FBLA and filmmakers. So if I were to create a new report, you can see the club ID is 3 and 5. Okay, so if I select 3, for example, it will return back FBLA. Okay, and if I were to select number 5 is filmmakers. So only these two will appear as a drop down since I've used the select function. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like if you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so that you find more contents like this in the future. I'm Arisa Zaha. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.